Welcome to the Advanced WordPress Mastery Kit Chapter 6. WordPress Dashboard Overview. In this video tutorial, we are going to see an overview of complete WordPress dashboard, step by step. So let's get started. So now log into your WordPress dashboard. On left we can see all its panel options. First we have Dashboard, Home, Updates. Then we have Posts, and inside we have All Posts, Add New, Categories, Tags. Then we have Media, and inside we have Library, Add New. Then we have Pages, and inside we have All Pages, Add New. Then we have Comments. After that, Appearance, and inside we have Themes, Customize, Widgets, Menus, Background, Theme Editor. Then we have Plugins, and inside we have Installed Plugins, Add New, Plugin Editor. Then we have Users, and inside we have All Users, Add New, Profile. After that, Tools, and inside we have Available Tools, Import, Export, Site Health, Export Personal Data, Erase Personal Data. Then we have Settings. Inside we have General, Writing, Reading, Discussion, Media, Permalinks, Privacy. Next is Loginizer Security, and at last we have Collapse Menu. Click it to collapse and again click it to reopen. On top right, we have Profile Panel. Here you can see your name, edit profile, and log out. Also we have Screen Options. Click on it and Screen Elements will open. Screen elements can be shown or hidden by using these checkboxes. Select these checkboxes to show or hide those screen elements like this. Now close Screen Options by clicking on it. So this is an overview of WordPress dashboard. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 7. Clearing out WordPress dummy content. Inside that video, we are going to see how you can clear out WordPress dummy content, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.